Hello, welcome back to BJS Official. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to upload a product on FortuneX Market Place. So this is where you can actually upload your product. Let's say you have digital product or you have physical product that you want to advertise. You can advertise it on the FortuneX Marketplace and you will definitely have buyers or people that are interested to purchase what you have. So let's say for example, I have a phone that I want to sell. I have a used phone or a brand new phone that I want to sell. Then I want to publish this my phone on FortuneX so that FortuneX can help me find buyers. So this is all I have to do. Just click on this place right here. So after clicking there, scroll down and click on Marketplace. After you click on Marketplace, it's going to take you to this particular page. So what you have to do is to click on create listing. Understand? Just click on create listing, and here is where to add picture. So this is where to add the picture of your product, whatever you want to sell. If it's a book, you add the book cover. If is a physical product, then you add it also. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to use phone as an example. So let's take it as I want to sell my phone. Then I will just click on add photo. I will now snap a picture of my phone. Then I will click on choose from gallery. So it's going to come up with this particular place. Then I will select the picture of my phone that I want to sell. So let's say I want to sell this particular Samsung right here. I will upload the image. Note, if you have up to like, you can snap your phone or what you want to sell, you can just take it a different shot. Understand? Front, back, inside, or whatever. Let's upload at least 2. So you can upload up to 10 photos of your product. So after that, you can name your product. What is it like? What do you want to sell? So let's say, okay, this is Samsung Galaxy. Let me say Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So let's say this is what I want to sell. You just enter the name like this. Now you can enter the description of your product. Understand? So what is the description of this particular phone? This means that you will need to enter the specifics of your phone. Like you have to enter what your phone is comprised or what your phone is made of. Understand? Tell the buyers things about your phone. How many gig RAM does this phone has? What is the color of the phone? Is this phone, you just talk about the processors and every other thing that comes with the phone that you know that the buyers needed to know or the buyers need to know. So you just put it right there. So for my own, let me enter the description of this phone. So I have already gotten my description, like the description of this particular phone. Let me just paste it. I have it copied to my clipboard, so I will just paste it. Let's check it right here. Let's see what I wrote. Samsung Galaxy S25. This is a premium. Okay, let's look at it well. You see, I'm writing what this phone is made of. Understand? The battery, the built-in S Pen support, Android version, the operating system, One UI 17, and you see, so this is what it needs. You need to describe your product for the buyers to understand. So after that, you now enter the price. How much do you want to sell your product? So for example, now I want to sell this product for, should I say something like 2000, or let me say 2 million. Let me say, okay, let's say 2 million naira. So after you entered your price, you now select the categories. Understand? This is a phone or gadget. You can check if you have that right here. Okay, this is the close this thing. This is the close option to choose. Electronics. This is the close categories. Now condition: is this phone new? Is your phone new or is it fairly used? You click on it. So let's say it's a used phone. used like new or fairly used, you can just click on fairly used. If it's a refurbished, you can click on refurbished. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to use fairly used or fair used. Then the location, where is the location, where is this good available, meaning that where are you living, you that owns the product, where are you, so that the person that want to buy can contact you or can know that if it's possible for him or her to reach out to you for the product. So let's say Lagos. Understand? Note, you have to put it, you have to put a description, put a full details address. Understand? So that's what I mean. Now the phone number, you can just type in your phone number. Understand? So after typing in your phone number like this, you cross check if everything's are okay. You can now proceed by clicking on next. Let's proceed. Just click on it. You see my product has been listed successfully, as you can see right here. So this is just how to add your product to FortuneX for other people to see and patronize you. So whatever you have to advertise or you want to find buyer, you can just place it there and people are going to contact you to get it. So it's just as simple as ABC. So now let's take a look at this particular items that I have added. Let me just click on it to see. You see, I put this, hope you can see. So this is all what we wrote. You see the name, the location, the condition, the category and everything. So look at the description here, everything about the phone. Premium flagship smartphone with titanium frame, 6.9-inch QHD plus dynamic AMOLED 2x display. You see, Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy processor, 12 GB RAM, up to 1TB storage, quad rear camera, 200 megapixel main plus 200 megapixel main plus 50 MP ultra wide plus 50 MP 5 times telephoto plus 10 MP 3x telephoto. Understand? So and the battery life is 500 mAh, 5000 mAh with it comes with built-in expand, and it also comes with Android 15 with One UI 7. So this is all about the features. Understand? I believe you guys know this already. So look at it right here. This is my name. So as you can see right here, it's going to show like this. They know that it's big jewelers that want to sell this particular phone or product. You can, if once you click on contact seller, understand, so it's going to, then you click on to open with WhatsApp. Now it's going to take you directly to the seller's DM, where you can message the person and tell the person that you want to buy this particular product. So if you found this particular video helpful, as usual, make sure to like this video, leave a comment in the comment section, subscribe to this channel and share these videos to others. See you on the next one. Bye.